Guess who, folks? We're back, and we got a Journey SXT for you, and she's got a lot of options on her, and she's a $995 starting down here at Diversified Auto Sales. We are ready to go with this truck. Third row seating, got the big alloys, tinted out glass, 6-cylinder, yup, heated steering wheel, heated seats, third row bench, guaranteed credit approval, folks. $995 starting down. Don't matter what your credit is, come on down. Couple paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, and an hour of your time. And yes, I will give you an answer. And no messing around here. We sell a lot of cars, and we do a lot of guaranteed credit approval. That's why we're considered a platinum member. And this is the vehicle, this is the time, and this is the place. $995 starting down, gascleveland.com.